Hey, what do it, y'all? Swish Entertainment, y'all tune to all y'all favorite rappers and celebrities. Like, but first things, a little favor done for y'all first. Please like, comment, subscribe to this video. Hit the notification bell as well. That'll be your search channel to put y'all to this story. Now, today we'll be talking about the music mogul Diddy as he was in attendance of his final hearing today. This final appearance, of course, leads up to the upcoming court trial date, which will see the testification of many alleged victims, which will include Cassie Ventura. Now, Diddy, when speaking to the judge, had made it known that he had rejected a plea deal offered to him by federal prosecutors. Diddy had arrived at a courtroom in Manhattan in an orange jumpsuit as he had waved to both the public and the media before taking a seat with his two attorneys. These attorneys go by the names of Tenny Geragos and Brian Steele, who were sitting at the defense table. Diddy seems to be adamant about his court trial hearing today and his upcoming criminal trial, which will take place on the date of May 5th. The judge will question the New York rapper Diddy, asking if he had rejected a written plea deal from the government, in which he had responded saying yes. The judge, in addition, had questioned if Diddy is aware that he could end up serving more time if convicted than if he were to just choose the plea deal. Diddy made sure to assure the judge in court that he was fully aware of the ramifications if he were to be convicted. Now, it is currently unknown what the length of the sentencing was the prosecutors had offered to Diddy if he were to take the plea deal. However, it is very common that the plea deal serves a similar sentencing if the defendant were to be convicted without the plea deal. If prosecutors then offer Diddy a plea deal, then Diddy will be able to make a post-conviction argument that his attorneys did not represent his interests, which would mean that he should get a new trial. The court trial hearing that is taking place today on Thursday would have the judge speaking on the jury selection, which will take place on May 5th at 8 a.m. The objective is to complete the selection of a jury within 3 days. Prosecutors later had unveiled that they had offered Diddy the plea deal last week, but today is the first time that Diddy had acknowledged that he had rejected the plea deal. Diddy has pled not guilty to the 5 charges that he is currently faced with, which consists of 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution, 2 counts of sex trafficking, and 1 count of racketeering. It is likely that Diddy's final court trial hearing appearance today, prior to his criminal trial, will be the last time that we see him in an orange jumpsuit. Diddy has been given the privilege of wearing a button-down dress shirt along with pants and shoes without laces in the upcoming court trial. Diddy was arrested last year in 2024 in the month of September on the 16th on racketeering, sexual assault, sex trafficking, racketeering, and many other criminal offenses. Diddy, ever since having been apprehended, has been held in the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. Now, with Diddy's upcoming court trial on May 5th, significant progression is expected to be made in this man's case. But y'all, let's go. Cap us y'all thinks in the comments. What decision do you all think will be made when it comes to the sentencing and verdict that Diddy will end up receiving in court? Do you all expect other victims' identities to be revealed other than Cassie Ventura that will be testifying in court against Diddy? And to cap that off, how much longer do you think it will take for Diddy's case to reach its conclusion? Let all that be known in the comments, y'all. That's gonna do it. I'm out.